Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Mi Note 10, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and, well, only SIM. There is no space for SD card. So before we get started, there's one thing that I will need, which is this SIM ejector. Now it usually comes provided in a box, so you can find it somewhere in there, but you can also use a paper clip and just straighten out one of the edges. So from there you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the bottom side of right bottom side. There we go. And once you take it out, you have space for 2 different SIM cards, so just place them accordingly, like so. And then, while holding it securely so it doesn't actually fall out, slide it back into the device. There we go. And give it a moment. There we go. So that's the pin for the SIM card. Confirm, and there we go. So that is how you insert it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.